So we're going to be putting in some windshield wiper fluid for the Tesla. Been using it now for about a month and it's finally run dry. So we have some Rain-X bug remover. It's good stuff. It costs about $4 at the auto supply place. And you don't dilute it, you just pour it straight in. So you just got to open up the frunk. So we're going to use the frunk button right here. Says, are you sure you want to do that? Go yes. So that unlocks. And lift it up. And then we just have this right here. I'll go and pour in the fluid. So it's kind of a tight spot. Probably be good to use a funnel so you don't spill it. Got a big funnel there. So pour it in. All right, more. More than a quarter down. Start to see the fluid, so go just a little more. All right, so right at the top. So that was about that much. Was able to fill it all up, and looks like we have 1 gallon. So that's 1 US gallon, or 3.78 liters. And I'd say we used maybe 30% of that gallon, about to there. Filled it all the way up. I'm just going to take the funnel out. Go ahead and put the cap back on. We're all topped up. Wipe up that excess. All right, great. And then we're going to close our frunk. I'm just going to use even pressure here. You can use 2 hands or 1 hand's okay too. There we go. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.